Hello, Miss Ha. My name is Nguyen Dong. I'm in class 90 with Miss Secondary School. Today, I will talk about ways to preserve family tradition. I do many small things to keep my family tradition. I have my parents cook special meal on holiday. I also help clean the house before family event. I talk with my grandparents to learn about our family story. I always try to be polite and respectful to older people. I join my family in traditional activities like making food together. I help prepare the altar on special day. I keep our family photo in a safe place. I try to follow the good lesson my parents teach me. I want to keep our family tradition for the future. Thank you for listening.